Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. In this video, you will get the steps to set up your Oaitree Wi-Fi extender. Let's start the process. To set up Oaitree Wi-Fi extender using WPS process, you need to place the extender near to your router. Power on both devices. Then press the WPS button on your Wi-Fi extender for 1 second. The WPS button is available on the near Ethernet port of your extender. Within 1 minute, press the WPS button on the Wi-Fi router. Wait for the extender's internet light to become solid. The WPS setup is completed. Please check the connection. To set up Oaitree Wi-Fi extender using a web browser, you need to power on your Wi-Fi extender. Then open a computer or mobile. Find the extender's SSID. Then connect your mobile with the extender's Wi-Fi network. If it required a password to connect, then check the backside label on your Wi-Fi extender. The Wi-Fi password will be available there. After connection, launch a web browser on your mobile or computer. Type 192.168.10.1 IP address in the web address bar. Then it will redirect you to login page. Here, type the default password admin. The setup wizard page displays. Choose the repeater mode option. Here select the Wi-Fi network, which you want to extend. Type the Wi-Fi password. Then click Next. Now, create the password for your 2.4 and 5 GHz network. You can also change the name of your Wi-Fi. After then, click the Save option. After setting up your Oaitree Wi-Fi extender, choose the best place for this. The best placement is halfway between your Wi-Fi router and the area with a Wi-Fi dead spot, but within the range of the Wi-Fi router's signal. To find the optimal spot, use your extender's signal indicator lights or a mobile device's Wi-Fi strength indicator. If you are facing any issue to set up your Oaitree Wi-Fi extender device, or need our help, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.